Hi, this video is about the tub transfer bench with a 500-pound weight capacity. So what's so unique and great about a transfer bench is that it's much wider than your standard bath bench. So half of it goes in the bathtub or the shower, and half of it goes out of the bath or the shower. This makes it easier for the user to then sit onto the bench and then transfer into the bath or the shower. So when you receive your transfer bench, it comes just like this. The bench is fully assembled, and then it's so quick and easy to install the legs, the handle, and the backrest. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, let's install the handle. So you'll see on one side of the transfer bench, there are going to be hole inserts. That is where the handle is going to go. And this installs with these push buttons. So you just push the button, insert, and it goes into the hole. And it will lock into place, and give it a pull and make sure that it is fully locked in. All right, now we're going to attach the legs. So you're going to want to attach the legs to your desired height. It's really easy to do. So you'll notice that there are two types of legs, one with a large suction tip and then a standard tip. The legs with the large suction tip will go on the side of the handle. This is the side of the transfer bench that will go in your tub or your shower. So install these on this side. So go ahead and turn it over. And you'll notice that we have these adjustment locks. They look just like this. You're going to insert each leg to your desired height and then insert the adjustment lock. Now we're going to insert the backrest. So the backrest can insert either side of the transfer bench, and that depends on where your tub or shower is situated. So once again, go ahead and turn the bath seat to the side, and you'll see underneath the bath seat there are two sets of holes. You're going to insert the tubes all the way through to the other side, push the button, and release the button into the holes. All right, the back is now attached. There you go. Your transfer bench is fully assembled and ready to use. And of course, with all Nova products, they come with our care, use, and warranty information, and also how to contact us anytime.